Good evening, class, and welcome to the Week 7 discussion board for MPA 585 Political Economy. My name is Luis Chavarin, and thank you for being here this week. This week, we'll be going over the three types of tax avoidance: capital gains, income shifting, and corporate shifting. The first type of tax avoidance that I'll be strategy that I'll be going over is that of capital gains. Capital gains is a form of tax avoidance that's based on the principle of tax arbitrage, which is when somebody takes advantage of a price difference. Here, an individual takes advantage of the price difference by borrowing money to purchase whatever it is that will result in capital gain. Personally, I don't know anybody or any friends, family that takes advantage of capital gains or the strategy for tax avoidance for capital gains. The next one is income shifting. Income shifting is when a taxpayer at a higher marginal rate shifts the income or the burden to a taxpayer with a lower marginal rate. This can be a parent giving shifting expenses or shifting some sort of asset, bond, or stock option from their own personal assets to their kids' assets, allowing them to take advantage of lower marginal tax rates. Some important things to remember about income shifting is that it requires the transfer of an asset to work. It works due to marginal tax rates increasing with income. So obviously, an individual parent will be making more money, most likely will be making more money. If it's a kid or anything like that, they'll be making less money than their parent. There is a limit to the tax savings that can be benefited from. And finally, the government has unsuccessfully or with very limited success attempted to limit income shifting. Personally, I feel like I have seen this, maybe not the parent to a kid, but I have seen individuals shifting a tax burden from their own money to another individual, their brother, I believe it was a brother, that they shifted some sort of assets. I don't remember if it was a vehicle or a house, just so they could lower the tax burden. Corporate shifting, it's when companies are allowed to deduct depreciation allowances from their income, and a lot of times this can be taken advantage of by companies leasing out either a vehicle or a property. That way they can enjoy the benefits of reducing the tax burden. And personally, I don't know personally anybody that may be using corporate shifting or benefiting from this. And this concludes this week's presentation. I hope you all have a great rest of your week and good luck with your final exams.